I'm Caroline Taylor. I'm a hospitality consultant and recipe writer. And on my days off, you can find me in places like this, where the food is made all in-house and the service is warm and welcoming. I just love coming here. My first stop is usually to the display cabinet, but if I'm meeting a client for brunch, their menu knocks it out of the park. These kale eggs, they kind of make you feel like you're being healthy even when you're indulging. Mark and Stef are hospitality stalwarts. They're the original brains trust behind Sayers and Sayers Sisters. Their food is always thoughtful and tasty, amazing to look at, and most of all, generous. I come here every week for the scrambled green eggs, the to die for desserts, and the very warm hospitality. Mark, this is such a beautiful business. How did it come to be?
Basically, we got invited to come down and showcase a cafe here, and we decided to take the project on.
One of my favourite things to see what sort of artistry you've done with the day, the quiche of the day, or the salad of the day, or that lovely zucchini thing you did. So,
you know, we do make special effort to make sure that the dishes in the counter and the tarts of the day are made to look and make you feel with a smile on your face.
Yeah, well,
yes,
it does that.
Yeah.
And everything's made in-house?
Yes, everything you see within the premises is made on-house.
Wow. So, Mark, the coffee's amazing here. Who's roasting that for you?
We got Justin from Loaded Coffee. He only does small batching roasting.
And I noticed you had some tonics as well.
We have two girls who actually have produced these tonics. They live just up the road in Les Moody.
Cool. Can you tell me a little bit more about the Claysbrook Design Community Space?
We have a boardroom. We have little individual pods which have got independent businesses which run from these pods. So we actually like a common room.
Yeah, right.
So basically, people can come down, they can bring the laptops, and they can work quite comfortably in a quiet zone. There they can sit and have coffee, have a meeting, general mix of people with different structures and different mindsets of what businesses are going on in the area.
Yeah, it sounds like a great collaborative, creative space.
It is. Nothing can beat with a coffee and a piece of cake or a piece of food. Yeah.
So there it is, my hidden gem, Sayers' little brother. Pop in for a boozy brunch and afternoon tea. It just never fails to impress.